Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to unbox the JCD soldering and hot gun station model 8898. This is a parcel I just received. Let's check if there is any major visible damage. Okay, let's cut open the parcel. Okay, through the opening here. The item comes in a shoe size box. It has the model number 8898 on the box. Look like there's a crash on the box during the shipment. Hope the item inside are intact. Alright, let's open the box and see what we have inside there. The first item we find is the user manual. It provides the technical specification of the station and some description. On the other side of the manual are instructions on how to use the station. This is the soldering iron, and here is the EU power cord, and this is the tweeters. Here is the solder wick that is used for removing excessive solder during your soldering work. There are three hot gun airflow connectors. This is the lead-free flux. It seems that there's a leak. And this is the soldering iron stand with the sponge for cleaning it during the soldering. And it's very sticky due to the leak from the flux. Let's put the item aside first and see what else we have here. Okay, they seem to be some kind of a heating element. I guess it is a spare heating element for the hot gun. This is the hot gun itself. And finally, this is the main control unit. Okay, let's assemble the parts together. This is the control unit. On the side, there are two switches. The top switch is for the soldering iron. The bottom switch is for the hot gun, which is for the right control. Let's connect the hot gun cable to the control unit. The hot gun connector has 8 pins and there is a groove on the connector. Align the groove facing up, plug it in and tighten the nuts. For the soldering iron, the connector had 3 pins and also comes with a groove. Likewise, align the groove face, plug it in and tighten the nut. Next, take a hot gun A4 connectors. Align the groove on the hot gun and turn it clockwise to lock it. Okay, we switch on the hot gun and you can press the up and down arrow on the right side of the main unit to adjust the temperature you want. To test the hot gun, I'll put a candle in front of the hot gun outlet. You can see on the main unit, the hot gun only start to heat up when you remove the hot gun from the main unit. This is a good power saving feature. After a few seconds, the candle started to melt. When I place the hot gun, so when you put the hot gun back on the main control unit, the airflow stop flowing. Okay, now I switch on the soldering iron. By default, it is preset to 300 degree. You can see the display showing the temperature increase toward the set temperature. Now the soldering iron reached the preset temperature. I apply a little flux on the soldering iron. You can see the smoke, which means that the flux is burnt. Okay, next I will apply some solder onto the soldering iron tip. You can also see some smoke coming out, which means that the solder had melted. Okay, I'll increase the temperature to 368 degrees Celsius and test the solder again. Okay, you can see a lot of smoke, which means that the solder is melting faster at a higher temperature. Alright, let's check the range of temperature supported for the soldering iron. It go as low as 180 degree to as high as 500 degree. Now we'll check the hot gun. It go as okay, let's check the hot gun temperature. It go as high as 480 degree, and it go as low as 100 degrees Celsius. Next, we'll test out the airflow strength on the hot gun. I have a piece of tissue paper that flow into quarter. As I sweep the hot gun on the tissue paper, you can see the airflow strength. Okay. To change the airflow strength, press the fan button on the control unit. It shows 10, which is a preset value. Press up and down arrow to adjust the airflow strength. And when I change it to 6, you can see the strength is weakened now. And I change to 1, you can see the airflow strength reduced further. Here's my rating for the JCD solder and the hot gun station. On the quality, I give it a 4 star. The quality look good, and with the assumption it will last for a few years. On the design, I give it a 4 star. It had a power saving feature for the hot gun but not for the soldering iron. While the form factor for the main unit is small, it does not have holder for the solder iron which some competitors has. For performance, I give it a 4 star. Having tested both the hot gun and the soldering iron, it is working as expected. In terms of shipping, I give it 3 star as the seller is trying to put every other accessory I order into the same box, and the tube of the flux have leaked due to the shipment. Also, it took about 2 weeks to deliver. For pricing, I give it a 4 star. This station costs about 36 Sing dollar, which is reasonable, but it's not the cheapest option in the market. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and give it a like and share. Hey, do you want to have your phone alert you when you have exceeded the traveling speed limit? This app does exactly that. It runs on top of your application and navigation app and alert you when you hit the speed limit. In addition, the app can alert you when you are dozing while driving or at work. It might also help prevent the pilot from dozing off in the cockpit. It is free for you to use. You can download it from Google Play Store with the URL given, or search for npm soft lookup in Google Play Store. Hello, what about a personalized keyboard which display your favorite picture, color, and shape? A keyboard that allows you to input quick text, read text of different languages, and translate them on the fly. You can also scan barcode from the keyboard and quickly switch between your favorite app. The best part is that it is free. You can download it from Google Play Store with the URL given, or search for npm soft more keyboard in Google Play Store. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now.